In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install mods on Minecraft. So mods are basically a great way to add other features and elements into your Minecraft game. Now, the first thing you need to do is just close out of the Minecraft application. And what we're going to do is open up an internet browser, and we just need to install the application that's going to let us run these mods. So from a search box, go and type in the word Forge and then press enter. Click on this top website here, which is minecraftforge.net. Then you'll need to scroll down and click on the installer. Now click on skip in the top right hand side, and that should begin downloading the Forge installer. Now we're going to head back over to an internet browser, and you need to go and download some mods that you want to use in the game. Now the website I like to use is something called CurseForge. Go and search for that and click on this top website here. Now scroll down and click on Minecraft from the list. Then go and click on Browse All and scroll down this list, and on the left hand side make sure to tick Forge, and we're going to select the game version and filter this to 1.21.5. You can now browse through all of this library of different mods to find the one that you want to go and use in Minecraft. So all you need to do is go and select the mod that you want. So let's say you wanted this top one here. Once you're on your mod, you can read a description about exactly what this mod offers, and if you do want to download and start using it in Minecraft, click on Files. Then we're just going to scroll down, and you need to make sure the game version is 1.21.5, and you need to make sure the mod loaders is Forge. So that's this second file here. I'm going to click on the three vertical dots and click on download file, and that should begin downloading after a few seconds. So now what we can do is open up the downloads folder on our computer, and you should have these two files at the top here, one of them being Forge and the other being the mod that we just downloaded. So the first thing you need to do is double click on the Forge application and go and install this onto your computer. So you can do that just by pressing OK. Now, if for some reason you can't open up the Forge application, well, this is because you don't have Java installed on your computer. So you can fix that by opening up an internet browser, typing in the word Java and press enter. Click on the top java.com website, scroll down and select Download Java for Desktops. Now scroll down this page and click on Download Java for Desktops, and you'll just need to run through the steps on the screen to install this to your computer. Once you have installed Java, you can just right click on the Forge installer, click on Open With, and select Java Platform SE, and then you can go in and install the client to your computer. Now once you've installed Forge, we're just going to open up the Minecraft launcher on our computer. Now click on Java Edition in the left hand side and select Installations. Now you should be able to see the Forge installer that we just installed. Click on the Open Installations folder next to it, and inside of this folder you should have something called Mods. Go and double click on that. Now this folder is probably empty for you, but what we need to do is go and find our Downloads folder, and inside of your Downloads folder you need to go and locate the mod that we just downloaded from CurseForge. So mine's this one at the top here, and what we're going to do is just drag in this file to the mods folder, and once you've done that you can close out of these folders. We're then going to head back over to the Minecraft launcher, hover over Forge and click on play, agree to the terms and conditions and select play. Now from here you can load into a Minecraft game, and if you press the escape key on your keyboard, you see we have now this option for mods, so we can go and click on that and you'll be able to see the mods that we're currently using. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.